Javen, can you spell your name? J-A-V-E-N. Good job. Can you spell mom? M-O-M. Very good. How about pig? How do you spell pig? P-I-G. Good job. How about the word cow? What's it start with? C-O-W. Very good. Can you spell dad? How do you spell dad? D-A-D. Good job. You just learned that one, didn't you? How do you spell Javen? J-A-V-E-N. Very good. You're so smart.